Hey everybody, this is Phil Cavalcanto with Coldwell Banker Preferred. I'm here with Mike White with MCS Mortgage here in the greater Philadelphia area. And part of the reason for bringing him in today and having the video is to discuss the pre-approval reason. Quick little story, I had a buyer who had come to us about one of our properties. They had seen us on Zillow. And when I spoke with the buyer, she wanted to see the property. And when I said, great, are you pre-approved? Have you spoken to a lender? Her response was, no, I don't want to do it that way. I want to go find the right house and then get pre-approved. So I thought the reason for doing the video would be good to not only explain for that individual, but for other people why it's important to be pre-approved. So Mike, welcome.
Thank you.
So for our clients that are listening, generally, why is it important for buyers to get pre-approved?
Well, one of the first reasons is that in today's market, houses move very quickly and sellers will only accept offers that are from pre-approved buyers.
Okay.
So you need to be prepared ahead of time for that. But there's many reasons.
Mm-hmm.
You want to make sure that you're shopping for a home in your price range that you're comfortable with. You don't want to rush into it. You want to say, what mortgage payment am I comfortable with? You know, how high can I go? How low can I go? You want to know if there's issues on your credit, if there's issues regarding your qualifications that could be a problem. So you want to make sure when you go through the trouble of buying a home that you're not worried about the financing, because so much revolves around the financing.
Okay, so, and one point that I really like that you brought up is that, and correct me if I'm wrong, buyers should really shop for what they want to pay per month, not for the total for what they want to spend on the house.
Exactly.
Okay, good, good. And then you can actually help them understand that.
Yes.
Okay, great,
That's
great.
extremely important.
Okay, now, I've heard the term pre-approval and I've heard pre-qualify. Is there a difference between those two?
There is a difference, and it's pretty important. It's very simple to pre-qualify. Pre-qualification can be done over the phone. It can be done very quickly. It is the loan officer taking a credit application from you, where you work, where you live, pulling a credit report on you, and then saying, if this income that you told me is accurate, and if you have this much money in the bank, and then you can qualify for this. So it's not verified.
Okay.
A pre-approval means you actually took the time to gather your pay stubs, your W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, and send it to the loan officer so they can look at it and say, yes, your income is supported. And based on this documentation, you are pre-approved. It's much stronger. It's typically sellers want a pre-approval.
Okay, so when they can go out and get pre-qualified, but at that point where they find the right house and they're ready to put an offer in, they should probably take that next step,
Yes.
Get pre-approved, turn in those documents like their tax returns, their pay stubs, and then you as a lender will review that to make sure that what they're telling you is true and that you can support the number they want to purchase.
Exactly.
Okay, excellent,
It
excellent.
creates a lot less headaches for everybody down the road.
Okay, very good. How long does that process take for a pre-approval?
It's not much longer. The process is more involved with the customer gathering their pay stubs and bank statements. That might take an hour or so. And then the lender should be able to review it pretty quickly.
Okay.
Within a couple hours at the most.
Okay.
But usually within an hour.
Okay, so we shouldn't be looking at, getting pre-approved shouldn't take days to do.
No.
It should be relatively
It
quickly.
can be done in an hour and a half.
Okay, very good, very good.
It could be done quicker than that, but assuming there's phone calls and things, yeah.
Okay, very good. Well, I wanted to thank you for coming by, sharing your expertise with us.
My pleasure.
If you are in the market to consider buying a home and you're interested in starting the process, or if you own a home and would like to consider refinancing depending on what rate you're paying, feel free to give either myself a call or Mike White a call. Our information is below, so you can certainly call us on those numbers. And remember, who you work with matters. Have a great day.